Hello everyone, I am Jaya Pujita, design team member of Swati Craft Corner. Today we are going to create this unique and elegant shadi envelope where we are going to add a unique pop-up technique for adding your cash gifts. So this will be a best gift for newly married couple. Take a piece of cardstock sheet of dimension 11 inches cross 7 inches. You can take any color suitable to the pattern papers. Now you have to score at 4 inch, 5 inch, 6 inch and 10 inches. Now fold along the scored lines and crease them well. Now the cardstock sheet will look in this format. Next we are going to make a slit in order to insert the cash. For cutting the slit we are going to use a steel scale and a pen knife. I am placing the steel scale and start cutting only in the center. The length should be equal to the length of the cash which you are going to insert. After making a slit, now take your scissors and we have to remove the excess cardstock. Turn the cardstock and on the back side we are going to stick the two center folds together. For this I am going to use tacky tape. Add tacky tape like a border on both the folds and stick them together. Now we have got this pop-up where we can insert the cash. Since my cardstock sheet is very thick, I am unable to fold. To rectify this, I am going to score another line at 6 1/8 and I am going to fold the sheet along that line. Take another piece of cardstock of dimension 4 inches cross 7 inches. Here I am going to cut a circle. For this I am using my die cutting machine. Now I am going to attach this cardstock sheet on the last folding, but the cardstock on the folding is visible inside the circle, so I am going to trim it off a bit. Now it looks perfect. So I am going to add tacky tape along the small folding and then I will attach this cardstock sheet. Now the base of the envelope is ready. Now I am going to add two neodymium magnets to make the closure. So I am first joining both the magnets together, and then by using tacky tape I am going to stick the magnets on one side. Next, add a piece of tacky tape on the back side of the second magnet and then peel off the backing. Close the envelope and press well on both the magnets so that the second magnet sticks on the other side for the closure. Now we are going to play with this gorgeous and elegant paper pack Shubh Vivah from Swati Craft Corner. Just look at the designs and the colors. They are so beautiful and very apt to the theme. Now I have cut the pattern papers according to the size of the cardstock sheet. So the pattern papers will be a bit smaller than the cardstock sheet. For the front side, since we are having a circle in the center, I have used the same die cut and made a cut on the center of the pattern paper also. Now I am going to apply glue on the back side of the pattern paper and then stick it over the envelope. I have taken this yellow color pattern paper from the pack, but you can take any designs as per your choice. Now I am going to add pattern papers on the other sides of the envelope also. In the center circle, I am going to stick this doily. Now I am going to stick this Ganesha in the center of the doily. This Ganesha is from the tag sheet available with the paper pack. Now I am adding pattern papers inside the envelope. Now I am going to add the cash in the slit we have made. If suppose the slit length is not sufficient enough to insert the money, then you can make the slit a bit bigger. Now I am going to add few more elements on the inner pages of the envelope. And after that we have left some space on the top where you can either write some wishes or you can add photos. Now our Shadi envelope is ready. It is looking so elegant and unique, isn't it? To buy this paper pack, go to Swati Craft Corner website, and when you create your project using this paper pack, do tag us. Thank you.